Hi guys, welcome back to another styling video with me, Marni. So today what we're going to do is we're going to style the cat eye shape in 3 different ways. Don't be afraid of the cat eye, just wear it. It's a great shape. Here's the looks. The first look we're going with is a beautiful Anna-Karin Karlsson. What's fabulous about this frame as it's gold, because I love gold. I own a lot of gold jewelry, hence why I paired this with I'm wearing them now, cheeky little gold hoop earring and a nice simple gold necklace chain. So what I love about this frame, as darling, it has a pop of color. A nice, lovely green at the front of the frame. It's beautiful. I love the color green. I think it can be earthy. I think it can be mysterious. So many things. I paired this with a blazer. What I love about a blazer is you could wear the plainest thing underneath, and immediately, as soon as you put on a blazer, one, you feel smarter, one, you feel more put together, but at the same time, it really pulls an outfit together. I always tend to go for more of an oversized blazer because I just feel like it gives me that better silhouette if I'm wearing a slimmer trouser, like I usually do. But I love this look. I think it's very smart. I think it's very well put together, and I think that's also because it is at the core of it quite basic. So it's not got too much going on. It allows the frame to shout like it needs to because it deserves to. That is the first look. So for our second look, I've gone with a classic but dark and stormy Prada. I think what's fabulous about this shape is it's a slightly larger lens. So I think a lot of people have that thought before when they think of the cat eye, that it's that very short, thin, and then sharp top. It doesn't always have to be like that. You can have a larger lens. So this is giving that extra room, and with it being slightly squared off at the bottom, it's not giving that hoop look at the bottom as well. So it just gives a little bit of a different variation to it. I love this frame because I think it's very structured, so it can really structure your face lovely. So for me, I feel like it really picks up my cheekbones quite well as my jaw. What I have paired with this frame is something a little bit mysterious. I'm saying that because I've gone for a lot of black. I've transitioned the trousers across from the first look because I just think it's very simple. You can dress that up. I've changed the top. What I've gone with is a really nice pleated top that cinches at the waist, so it adds a bit of shape similar to what the frame does, and it just has that overall nice silhouette. I have paired this with some jewelry I've changed. For me, accessories really is the loudest thing for me when it comes to my outfits. If I'm going to wear a frame, I want my accessories to accent it 100%. So what I've done here is I've changed my necklace for a big chunky silver to really bring out that coolness that you can have in comparison to the warmth you can have with a gold frame. With the black, I've gone for more of a cool tone. So I've changed for the silver, and it has a big chunky black diamantes at the bottom. I do like this because it adds a lot of drama to the neck area as well, which again gets people to look up to then look at the frame. I've again paired this with some new earrings. These match well with the necklace. I've gone for a bit of drama. So again, silver detailing, big black stone, just brings out that heaviness in the frame because it is a thicker frame. So I wanted to accent that kind of thickness and heaviness in my outfit. I would probably wear this out for drinks in the evening, or if I wanted to dress up a little bit smarter. For me, when it comes to jewelry, especially big chunky jewelry, I love to wear my hair scraped back. For me, this really allows the frame and the jewelry to kind of accent each other really well without my big long hair getting in the way. It allows you to see it very, very clearly. This is a classic shape. It would fit a lot of face shapes too, which I think is really beneficial, so you're not narrowed down. That was the second look. So, welcome to our third and final look. With this one, I think the only word I can use is extra. I wanted to go extra, so I did. This frame is a Loewe frame. Nice, gold, simple, very, very obvious cat eye. And what's lovely about this, it's just a simple gold metal. Can't really go wrong. But when it comes to styling this, I really wanted to accent this frame, as I did feel very cool in it. What I went with was a blue simple cardigan with a fur accent around the neck. I love this top, it's one of my favorites, and I really feel like it adds that extra bit of drama, and as well a pop of color. But just to bring it down a notch, I paired this with a pair of simple jeans, just a pair of simple boyfriend mum jeans. Easy peasy, everyone has got a pair of these in their wardrobe. All you need to do is pop on a crazy top and you're sorted. I decided to really accent this frame as it is very statement gold, which again, I did say earlier, I love gold, with some creative earrings. What I decided to do with these earrings is they're all drop earrings with gold accents with different kind of detailing on it. So one's got a butterfly, one's got a blue stone, but each of them are completely different. Again, it just kind of adds to that drama of the frame. I think when it comes to a cat eye, it is dependent on the frame. It gives you that persona that you just feel that bit more elevated. So you should go with it, you should run with it and feel very confident in it as well. This I'd probably wear out in the evening, go for dinner, meet friends, but if I was feeling extra cheeky, I'd go out in the day like this. I felt fabulous. The frame's really nice and comfy as well, very, very light to wear, but there's no occasion that is not perfect for a classic cat eye. So that is our 3 looks with 3 different variations of a cat eye. If you've got any questions about the frames or any little details you want to know, get in touch. We love to hear from you and we could talk about them forever, especially me. When it comes to the style, dress the way that feels good for you and that's your personal style. I feel good in what I was wearing. If you don't like it, I don't care, that's fine. But any questions about the frames, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to follow us on all our socials, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, it all. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, comment, I will be checking, and I will see you next time. Thanks guys, bye.